Standard deviation is a measure of data variability, like variance. Standard deviation is simply calculated by taking the square root of the variance. Standard deviation equals square root of variance. So, while variance is measured in units squared, standard deviation will simply be measured in the same units as the mean. For ease of interpretation, standard deviation is often the preferred measure of data variability. Going back to the die example, the standard deviation is the square root of 2.917, which is equal to 1.71. A low standard deviation means there's a compact probability distribution, while a high standard deviation means that it's spread out, similar to variance. If we take a look at a normal distribution, which is what we'll most often encounter in real world examples, looks something like that. I'm a horrible artist, but forgive me for that. There's the mean. If we go out 3 standard deviations above and 3 standard deviations below, we'll get 99.7% of a total population within that distance. So it's important to note that reporting the standard deviation along with the point estimate makes no direct statement about the true population value. It only describes the variation of the data. To understand where the true population parameter might lie, we need to calculate the margin of error, or the confidence interval,